What's up? I got Travis here. We're gonna do car things. So this bitch is going outside for now. I need to figure something out because it's raining. And yeah, we're gonna do 240 things. Yes, yes, with your bum ass bumper. Your bum ass drift stitch bumper. So what are we doing to your 240?
Finishing hooking up my hydro.
Ooh, what do we have left to do?
Run lines front to rear.
Are we gonna test it?
Yes.
Oh yes. It's gonna be a fun day. It's fucking cold and raining, so I have to move my car out of the garage so I can let him do that, which means y'all gonna see this thing move. But I need to figure something out with that power steering line first. So, oh fuck, did I break? No, it's just, yeah, it's fucked. So, yeah, today should be an interesting night. So, yeah, here's where we're at. My car wouldn't start, and it's because my ground cable was in half. So, let's show them real quick. It was in half, so now we are rigging it back up because...
very temporarily.
Yes. You know, I say temporarily, but
I am getting you wire from work. It's temporary.
You're gonna get me some wire from work?
Yes.
We claim temporary, but let's be real.
It's temporary.
It's been like that since I was 18 years old, so...
I will bring it to your house and drop it off on my way home from work.
Apparently Travis is not gonna allow me to keep running that, so... We're on a quick delay while he just tapes that back together, so stay tuned. Alright, we are situated again. The car runs, thanks to Travis and his 240. And you got the Ginger Mikey. So yeah. So yeah, the car moves. I did something right for once. Right, Travis?
Sure.
Fuck you. And now the honorary trash bag, because it just stopped raining, but it's probably gonna rain again. And they are my henchmen.
Sure.
While they're doing that,
I would just top way the bottom.
an outside look. Yeah, this thing hasn't seen the outside in so long. Alright, Travis, we can go do the only thing I wanted covered, and you couldn't even handle that.
Oh,
Yo, y'all are fired.
no, I got it. Look, perfect.
Alright, you're hired again. You're still fired. Wait, can you do the headlight thing? Can you make them flicker? Yes, when you want to be a Miata, just so bad.
I say, me and Cassidy came to an agreement that we're not, or I'm not buying her a ring until we run this car at Good Life next year.
Alright, I'm holding you to that. I'm holding you to that too, Cass. I'm a witness.
I'm a witness.
You know, it's a good thing. I forget why I turned the oh yeah, that's right. I want to let you all know, when you're fucking hungry, you don't go get no McDonald's. You order a 30-inch fucking pizza, bud.
Shut up, Padrones.
Hell yeah. Only good thing about this fucking dumbass
Shithole town.
Yes. Repeat that.
Shithole town.
Yeah, couldn't.
It's also probably the closest thing to New York pizza out here. So.
Yes, couldn't have said it better ourselves, right, Travis?
What?
You're a piece of shit. So for y'all who haven't noticed yet, my car doesn't have headlights. They got destroyed in my accident. Now, I can't drive at night, but we came up with a solution, right, Mikey?
It's a logical explanation.
Okay, so
Sponsored by Snap-on.
Yes, sponsored by. Oh wait, it's upside down. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. Sponsored by Snap-on. Now this is what we call the God's Dick Light. And it's perfect and it'll be road legal because you just turn it on, there's your high beam, there's your low beam, off, good to go.
Pretty much.
Right? Perfect plan, that's what we're gonna do. Fuck headlights, those are like so yesterday.
Dude, I can't.
Does it make you want to move out yet, Mikey?
Oh, God. No, it made me want to move out after you blew up the drag truck.
I didn't blow it up! Fuck you, I thought I blew it up, but I didn't blow it up!
What's this?
So do you want to explain the system while you're doing it, or in a minute?
Not right now.
Brendan Bosser. Jarrett Wagner. Oh, your account has been billed for the upcoming term.
So, I just wanted to give you all a quick update. As Travis is bitching about, he's leaking inside his car. I don't exactly.
I'm leaking!
You're what?
I'm leaking!
Yeah, we'll just leave it at that, but.
It's not even that. I totally forgot the other night when we were fucking drinking out here. I'm sending my fucking motor back to Texas with the beer can in there. Totally forgot about that shit. Just noticed it.
Oh, fuck. Anyway, back to the original point. Why don't you give us a rundown of what we all have here? So what is this?
We got the good old track car.
The track car?
Yes.
All right, let's just go down out into the driveway.
We got the where are we heading first? To the drag truck.
Yes, let's.
Drag truck currently does not have a motor in it.
Yes.
But the one and only way to know this thing is fucking fast, sitting on 420s.
Ditto 420s, only way to go. Let's keep going down the line. What do we got here?
The fucking single mom special right here.
Yes. You're a single mom?
Apparently.
All right, and what is this?
The diesel train.
The diesel train, yes. All the diesel power.
But it's not tuned or deleted, so it's kind of gay.
Yeah, we'll get there at one point. One point. But you know, I have a warranty still.
And the drift car.
And the what?
The drift car.
Yes, the drift car.
Again, if you don't have a tarp, cut a fucking trash bag in half. Works mint.
Yes. So, just wanted to keep you all up to date on what's actually the plans here for everything in the driveway.
And hopefully soon enough, in the near future, Project 600 horse STI. It's gonna happen. Either that or a turbo lawnmower.
If you have an STI, don't come near me because I don't need a fucking sexual transmitted infection. Let's go bother Travis. What you doing there, bud?
Yeah, I just flipped the fucking master cylinder over. I got tired of fucking with it.
Hey, it's gonna be an interesting day. Travis, I think this is an appropriate look for the car.
What?
I think this is an appropriate look.
It is definitely not.
Backwards Cali? Fuck yeah.
It's called raked, bro.
All of the rake.
Resume after this is done.
Yeah, so this is gonna be our intermission for the video. I'll get back to you when we're ready to go to Mexico. Jarrett's home, and our buddy Devin decided to stop by. So, why don't you give us a quick rundown of what happened?
Nope.
Please?
Nope.
Please? Okay, anyway, he went to bleed the system, and bleeder snapped off. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Thoughts or feelings, Travis? Yeah, he's not a happy camper, so this should be interesting. Hey, wait, didn't I say earlier it was going to be an interesting night?
You did. You did.
I'm a fucking
You just
fortune teller. Fortune,
Black
yes.
cloud.
Yeah, you also
Yes.
told him to snap his bleeder off. And
Y'all
look
do
what
the
happened.
same shit to me.
Hey, Travis, snap your bleeder off. Click.
Actually, I said, be careful not to snap the bleeder off. That's exactly what I did say.
That sounds like some fucked up voodoo shit to me, dog.
Oh, but you haven't done it to me? You're gonna tell me right now you haven't done it to me?
Maybe once or twice.
Bullshit! All the time.
This one time at band camp.
There's $20 more charge on each.
I absolutely hate my friends. So, we're gonna attempt to bleed this anyway.
Start pumping it.
Thoughts?
Start pumping it, Bob.
Do you want brakes or do you want
Just use the pedal.
Well,
pedal?
still pump.
You have a leak here.
Squirting!
Seriously.
You're squirting!
Fucking God.
Travis is getting so fed up with just the video making it.
Where the fucking Okay. Alright, hold up.
We need roller rags.
She climbed as a squirter!
Get roller rags.
Oh!
Here, watch out.
Wait, pump it?
Pump it.
Pump up the jam.
Pump it up.
Alright, so Travis got it figured out. Got the whole gang.
Wait, you're not gonna tell him a sneak peek? That the brake lights came with built-in bleeders?
You mean the brake lights, not the brake
Yes, we went
That's
to
his
just
line, you fuck ass!
we were just gonna crack the lines, and that's when we discovered the new lines had bleeders built in. I don't know, it was fucking weird. But we're gonna play musical cars real quick, and then we're going to Mexico. So
Why not Dubai?
No one gives a shit in Mexico.
we go to college in Ohio. We're poor as fuck. That's why we're not saying Dubai.
Fair enough.
Fucking God.
No Mexico tonight. E-brake's not locking up like it should, or hydro's not locking up like it should. So he's got to mess with it a little bit more. But so yeah, no Mexico tonight. But he's gonna mess with it, and when he goes and tests it, he's gonna send me the videos, and I'll be uploading those because I'm leaving tomorrow for a long trip. So.
Me too.
Yep. Devin's going to Florida.
And I'm stuck here.
Yep. Jared and Mikey are they're stuck here in Ohio. I'm going to Virginia this weekend. Possibly Connecticut. Monday morning. New York. Definitely Monday though. New York for a week.